I want to see the list if it is appearing in the putty. Okay, great. Now you give sudo apt hyphen get update. Let's do an update again. Apt hyphen get, no space. No space between apt and hyphen. Yes, hyphen get space update, space update. Okay, fine. Can you now go ahead and give sudo apt get install Jenkins? Apt hyphen get. It's Jenkins, J for Jenkins. No. Sudo apt hyphen get. There's no space between apt and yes. Yeah, apt hyphen get space Jenkins. Jenkins. Yes, enter.
Valid operation Jenkins.
Sorry, sudo apt get install Jenkins. Space install, yeah, space Jenkins. Wait. This job for Jenkins.service failed because the control process exited with this. What is the Ubuntu server you took, Ganesh?
This one.
T2 micro you have taken. Okay, T2 micro and the type was, is it Ubuntu? Can you just come down? I want to see the AMI image of that. Yeah, it is 18.0. Okay, let's do one thing. Stop this instance. Let's change the instance type and then increase the instance type.
How to stop?
Instance state. No, yeah, instance state here. Stop.
Okay.
Stop it.
How to?
Let's wait for it to be stopped completely.
Okay, it's stopped.
Yeah. Go ahead to the actions. It's already selected. Go to the actions above, beside the launch instance. Yes. Instance settings. Change instance type. No, instance settings. Go to the instance settings, please. Hello, Ganesh, are you there?
Hello. Sorry.
Yeah, go to instance settings. Yes, go to change instance type. Yes. Yeah, change the instance type to T2 medium. Yeah, apply. Now you can start it. actions, instance, state, start. Yes, your public IP will change. You will have to reconnect to your putty. Okay.
Okay. Should I close this one, right?
Let's wait for it to be started because only then you will get the public IP.
Yes, it is.
Go ahead. Yeah. Give sudo apt-get update first. Enter.
Not connecting.
Now what happened? Is it not moving?
Not taking.
Hit enter. Not happening. Huh? Okay. It is inactive actually. Yeah. Close it. Or duplicate session.
Which one?
Maybe it is initializing, right? That's the reason. Let's wait for it. Can you click on refresh? Your status checks should be 2 out of 2. Only then it will perform as expected. Yeah. To your right hand side above, you see a refresh button, right?
Yes, this one.
Now you try connecting again. Take the public IP. Yeah. Sudo apt-get update -get space update. Enter. Once. Give the address.
What? Okay.
Not, yeah, that one. Exactly.
Disconnected again.
Oh.
Actually, my power has gone. That's why broadband is not working. I have connected through the hotspot. That
Oh,
is the reason.
phone's data, is it?
Yes, yes.
Maybe that's the reason
No,
it is.
not phone actually. Hotspot is there.
Oh.
That is the reason, I think.
I think you can even give restart session. That will also work. In Putty itself, you see if you right click, you have a option for restart session. That will also connect you.
Where?
Uh,
What?
yes. Hit enter now. Okay.
Again? Yeah.
Okay. Putty right click.
No, nothing is happening.
Okay. Go to Putty inactive. Is there no that message? Yeah. Right click there.
This one?
No, actually, Putty inactive above. There is one white line, right, where your login Ubuntu above that. Yeah. Right click there. Right click
Here.
on that white command. Yes. Right click. Yes. Restart session.
Reset.
Type in Ubuntu. Enter. Yeah, paste the command.
Sudo.
Paste the command. What you, yeah, sudo apt -get space update. This is not working.
Okay.
Can you paste the second command? Is there as
No. This one?
no, not that. There's one more command I just sent. Echo db dabba one. Dabba one.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
What happened? Hotspot is not.
I don't think it's a network issue. I think it's the session issues with AWS
Good.
Engine. Okay. Fine. So now wait. Be in the same session. Go ahead and give. Oh, its session is getting out for every second, I think. Sudo apt-get space install Jenkins. Apt-get space install space Jenkins. No, I think there is some issue with the system, I guess, because it is not able to start the Jenkins. Maybe because it is getting disconnected again and again. That might be the reason.
Okay. What? This is the command, right?
That's the command.
Okay. So, can you, Ramesh, take care? Because this is not here. Tomorrow I'll try.
Yeah. Tomorrow, before joining Ganesh, try once, like if the reconnecting is happening again or what. If it is happening, try creating the machine in another region. Like right now, you're creating the machines in Mumbai region, right? It might be region specific as well.
That's yes, yes, yes.
Sorry?
Mumbai, this one.
Yeah, you change the region in above to your right hand side, right? Above Mumbai is there, no? Change the region and create the instance and try installing Jenkins there if that
Okay.
works.
Okay. Sure.
Okay. Yeah. Ramesh, can you please share the screen?
Yeah, I'm sharing my screen.
Okay. Okay. So, can we see the Jenkins?
Yeah, 1 minute.
Okay.
How to run this command? From where you are getting this
Sorry.
IP? This one.
To log in into Jenkins, is it?
Yes, 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 yes.
You need to take the public IP of your server where you installed Jenkins and
Okay.
colon 8080. So it'll take you to the Jenkins server. But before that, you
Okay.
need to make sure you are installing the Jenkins.
Okay.
It
Okay.
is there in Andalike document, Ganesh.
Okay. Uh,
Okay, to install the Jenkins and to use this as well.
Okay.
Like this. Okay, you can even give yeah, IP:8080. Yeah. So yes, let's go ahead and create a project for Node.js program. Okay. So click on new item.
Ramesh, you are recording the session or not?
Yeah, it's being recorded.
Yeah.
Yes, so here we are going to create a Node.js project, but before that, let's go ahead and install the plugins which would be required for Node.js execution, right? So yeah, please go back, Jenkins, manage Jenkins, and manage plugins. So here, go to available. Yeah, and search for Node. Come down. There should be something called as Node.js. No, along with that itself. Yes, this one. There should be one more plugin as well, which is called as. Give me a second. Post build script. There should be one more plugin as post build script. Give post hyphen build. Yeah, manage Jenkins. Post hyphen build. No, it's not post build task. It is post build script plugin. So post hyphen build. Yep. Enter. Now scroll down. We can find it out. Okay. Yes, that one. Yes. Okay. Go back to dashboard and let's go ahead and create the project. Yes. So give Node.js project and select freestyle. So here the source code we would be using from Andalike. So go to source code management, select Git. The URL for this will be the Andalike's project. So can you go to Andalike? GitHub Andalike. Yeah, here under the repository, go to Andalike. Yeah, under repositories, search hello node. No space. Yeah, that's fine. The first one. Clone or download. Click on clone or download. Yeah, take that URL. Yes, paste it in the Jenkins. That URL. Yes, it's a public project, so you don't have to give the credentials. Okay. Yes. So come down. And in the build, add a build step which is called as execute shell. Yes, add build step, execute shell. So under that, yeah, inside that type in npm space install space express, because yeah, after this I'll tell you what we are doing. Okay, install space express, you gave express, yeah, enter, node space app dot, yeah, app.js. Okay, and we will add a post build action as well. So in the post build action, select yeah, wait, select execute scripts.
This is constant for every Node.js project or what?
Yeah,
App.js.
this will be, yeah, this will be same for all the Node.js, but maybe the app.js what we are giving, that is the default starting point of the file which starts the execution. It might be different for different projects. They may tell you that use server.js as the starting file, like that. Only that name would change. All the other things would remain same. Okay. Yeah, come down, Ramesh. Yeah, here click on add post build step. Yes, add again, click on add build step. Inside that, no, not that, inside that, yes. So here give execute shell. Inside that type npm space stop, enter, npm space start. So this we are giving as the post build actions to make sure that we are stopping the npm, that is your package management with respect to Node. In the earlier thing, for the Java, we discussed that the package management tool will be Maven. For .NET, it will be NuGet, but for Node.js, it will be npm. Okay, so let's understand what is your Node.js script is doing. Okay, so can you please go to and like? Yeah, you can save it, Ramesh. Yes, save it. Yeah, let's go back to. Yes, so this is a sample Node.js project. I'll tell you how Node.js will be organized. Okay, so in for every Node.js project, you will have package.json. Can you click on package.json? So this is like a default file kind of thing. Okay, so this is a file which will be in JSON format. It will tell you the information about what dependencies or what kind of application and what is your starting point for your application. Everything will be listed out here. So if you see, the application is based out of Node Express. That's where you're giving name as Node Express. The version, these things we are only defining. Node Express can be your my first Node app as well. Okay, and the version also you will be defining private or public based on what is given by the requirement, but mostly it will be private. Okay, and the description, keywords, if you want to add any keywords, author, license, but main thing what you will have to observe here is the main. Okay, so here main is pointing to your app.js. That means the execution of this program should start from app.js. That's what it means. Okay, and for this particular application it has several dependencies because Node works based out of the module dependencies. So one of the Node modules is Express, and we are giving the relative version of Express that we are using. Okay, and then what is the dependencies? What is the dev dependencies? Should and super test. These are the custom defined one. Okay, and what is the script that we are going to execute? Like whenever you are going to start the program, it should go ahead and start your app.js as well. Okay, pm2 is the command which is used to execute the Node.js program, right? So can we go back? I'll show you what is there in app.js as well. This is like the configuration file. Yeah, go to hello node. Click on app.js. So this is your main file that we have referenced in the package app.json, right? So in this file, what we are doing is, in JSON, we are defining three different constants. Constants are static variables in Node, and we are assigning Express in order to use Express module. That is why require we are using, because Express is a module. We want to require that in this particular program. Okay. Similarly, similarly, how you're using import in Java, and I think import again in C#, or using in C#. Okay. And then we are giving the app.
Question.
Sorry. Hello.
Actually, this is a Angular application.
No, your voice is very low. I don't know who is talking, but the voice is very low.
Ganesh. Yes. Is it a Angular application or what?
No, it's not Angular application. It is a Node.js application along with Express module.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. And the port we are defining as 4200. What is this port means? You're defining your application should run on which port. Okay, that is 4200. And then mostly we will be using app.get. That is, whenever you hit this particular URL, what is the response that you will have to give to the user, right? So that is one. There is one parameter called as request and response as well, using req and res. And whenever the user hits to this URL with 4200 port, he should be seeing the message called as see this means it works, blah blah blah. Okay. And it is listening on the port 4200. This port listening will be done in your build. So once this message you get in the build output, that means your application started working on 4200. You can go ahead and check your application on port 4200. Got it? So let's go back to our Jenkins project. Okay, yes. So go ahead and hit build now. Let's wait for it to keep running. Yes, what happened? Okay. What is the message it is telling you? npm not found, because in the Jenkins server we don't have the package called as npm. We don't have the node installed also, right? So we have to make sure we have both these things inside the Jenkins server, because you remember, right, whenever we were running the .NET application also, we did the pre-configuration in the Jenkins server. Like we installed .NET SDK and we installed NuGet. In the similar way, we will have to install npm and node in the Jenkins server. So Ramesh, go back to Jenkins server. So we are going to install npm and Jenkins as well. Okay. So the command to execute and install Node.js is sudo space apt space install space Node.js. I'm pinging that as well. This will install both Node and npm. Why? Just to make sure it is installed, node space hyphen hyphen version. Yeah, and npm space hyphen hyphen version. Oh, it's not there. So go ahead and install it. Sudo apt install npm. Sorry, npm. Okay, done. So now we can go ahead and just check with the npm hyphen hyphen version. Just a double check. Okay, go back to the build, Jenkins. Yeah, back to project, build now. Yes. Yeah, so you're getting the message, right? That was there in your port listening, like app.listen. You had this message, right? App.listen port, the messages, this will be a console message for the port number, correct? That means your application is started, it started working. So let's go quickly and check that. Open a new tab in Chrome. Copy the public IP address of your Jenkins server. Yes. :4200. Enter. Is the security inbound rules enabled for this instance? Go to the security groups. Yeah, launch wizard 5. Scroll down. Yeah, security groups. Yes, click launch wizard 5. Yes. Yes, select that security group. Below. Yes. Yeah, scroll down. Yeah, all traffic is defined. Outbound all traffic is defined. Fine. Go back to your browser. It's there. It's already defined. Yes. Hit again. It should give you the message ideally. It is running actually. Go back to the window. Go back to the browser. Let me see what is that it is giving. Okay, some proxy firewall is what is being blocked. Okay, give me your address. Let me try here. Let me try in my system. 15.206 195. Okay. Let's do one more thing if it is not loading. Yeah, no, even for me the same thing. Go to your Jenkins server and allow the what is that? Firewall. But change the port number. Change sudo ufw space allow space 4200. Okay, sudo ufw status. It has loaded, right? It got loaded. So this is the message that you need to see whenever you are hitting to this particular request with 4200 port, right? Yeah, right. So this is how you can go ahead and configure Jenkins with Node.js project. Okay, I think Node.js project and the .NET project worked. Maven project, due to the plugin issue, it was not actually helping us out, right? So can we go to the Jenkins? Ramesh, are you there? Please go to Jenkins. Hello? Can you guys hear me?
Yes, yes.
Okay, maybe Ramesh has some connection issues, I guess. For the Maven project, I would leave the debugging thing for you guys.